Without objection, the motion to consider is laid on the table. House will be in order. I'll wait.
This is how grown-ass adults act in our House of Representatives. It gets worse. Please share the video. Not getting what they like.
The House will be in order.
He's shushing them.
The House will be in order.
Got to give it to Kevin McCoward for that one. He's straight up shushing them. Oh, watch, it gets worse. These people are sick in the head, demonic scumbags that all need to be censured and expelled. I would have said, shut up or you're going to be held in contempt and we're going to order your arrest. That's what I would have said. But I have testicular fortitude.
The House will be in order.
The House will be in order.
But at least he's making them look like the immature brats that they are. I'll give him that.
Will Representative Schiff present himself in the well?
Get your butt down there and get humiliated, you pencil neck loser. They go from screaming shame to clapping and giving a standing ovation. These people are sick.
By its adoption of House Resolution 521, the House has resolved that the House of Representatives censures Adam Schiff, representative of the 30th Congressional District of California, I will begin again.
I will begin again. I give him credit for that one. That was funny.
By its adoption of House Resolution 521, the House has resolved that the House of Representatives censures Adam Schiff,
I have to play the whole thing because you guys got to see what's going on in our House of Representatives. Kevin McCoward needs to grow some, you know what, and start holding these people in contempt. That's what needs to happen. He did his job, some moron screamed. How do you guys like it? How do you
By
like
its adoption of House Resolution 521, the House has resolved that the House of...
Now, by Kevin McCarthy going, it actually makes the Democrats look really bad to the independents that saw this. So.
I have all night.
He says he's got all night.
By its adoption of House Resolution 521, the House has resolved that the House of Representatives censures Adam Schiff, representative of the 30th Congressional District of California, for misleading the American public and for conduct unbecoming of an elected member of the House of Representatives, that Representative Adam Schiff will be forthwith present himself in the well of the House of Representatives for the pronouncement of censure. That Representative Adam Schiff will be censured with the public reading of this resolution by the Speaker, and that the Committee on Ethics shall conduct an investigation into Representative Adam Schiff's falsehoods, misrepresentations, and abuse of sensitive information.